Think all Forex trading is the same? There are actually 4 distinct market structures. Let's break them down. First, the spot market. This is the most popular for individual traders. Currencies are bought and sold at current market prices, with settlement happening on the spot or within 2 days. Second, the forward market. This is a private, over-the-counter agreement to buy or sell currency at a specific future date and rate, used mostly by corporations to hedge risk. Third, the futures market. Similar to forwards, but legally binding and standardized on centralized exchanges. This removes counterparty risk, making it popular for both hedgers and speculators. Finally, the options market. These contracts give the buyer the right, but absolutely not the obligation, to buy or sell a currency at an agreed price before a specific expiration date. Master the spot market with true 0.0 raw spreads and direct market access. Link in bio.